our ever-dynamic Regional Director of the Commission on Higher Education, Dr. Maximo Alhibe, our guest of honor and speaker, our brilliant and supportive Provincial Governor, Honorable Carlos Jericho Loreto Pitilla, and his better half, the current Provincial Tourism Consultant, the ever gorgeous former Mayor of Palo, Ma'am Francis Ann Basilio Pitilla. Even though they're not around, our hardworking and beloved Congressman at the 2nd District of Leyte, Honorable Lolita Karen Tanyala Javier, with her better half, our respected and equally dynamic Vice Governor, Honorable Leonardo Sandy Morales Javier Jr., our acting Municipal Vice Mayor, though he is not around, Honorable Noel P. Albino, the 2 or 3 Sangguniang Bayan members who are around, very active and Chair of Committee on Public Order, Honorable Vincent Perez Pinarlan, and also a third government councilor and the current chairman of Committee on Education. That's why he is a member of the governing board, Honorable Cipriano Villamores Jr. And of course, my better half, ang akong inspirasyon, at trabaho ang kinabuhi, ang publiko man o ang pribado. Ang akong minayuyo, nakapikas ang kinabuhi, Honorable Fed Sudario Rinomero. The members of the governing board who are present, governing board of PCC, our budget officer, Mr. Gorgonio Caballero, ever supportive financial manager when it comes to budgeting sa PCC. Mr. Romeo Malasada, would you please stand? Our industry partner representative, Kam Kawayan, nanananggiya ang Kam Kawayan. The alumni representative, the member of the first batch, pioneering batch of 2023, Ms. Jenica Arias, and of course, my yayo, my kakabantay, akon kabulig, kapanipalay, amon pinaeskwela, the current Student Council President, Student Representative, Mr. Jomar Rinomero. And of course, the Burawen Community College Administrator, Dr. Chen Colmenar Quebec, the Director for Administration, Attorney Absalon Apostol, and his better half, the Director for Finance, Madam Jo Josefina S. Apostol, na amo ang atong kasubong ikang ang pagtigang ang 2017, I think, 2018, when this was PCC na nahimo na eskwelahan. The Director for Student Affairs, a graduate of VUP, Polytechnic University of the Philippines, Mr. John Eric Go, a true-blooded Bulawanon. The LGU department heads who are around, our PCC administrative staff, deans, and program heads, faculty, our dear graduates, and their proud parents and guardians, guests, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant afternoon to one and all. Nahul ba ako? May introduction pala. Once again, we are gathered here together to celebrate another milestone of our very own Burawing Community College. The second commencement exercises. This is the result of our sincere commitment to deliver quality and accessible tertiary education right here in our doorstep. This is a proof that nothing can hinder our aim to consistently deliver education even at the onset of the global pandemic. But 2024 has experienced education during the pandemic situation. However, they have withstood the challenge, which is the very reason why they are all here today. Right? No doubt, learning during this era came with disruptions, sometimes stressful situations, with problems with connectivity during online classes, financial constraints, on the uncertainties of community quarantines, and so many other challenges brought about by COVID-19. And I believe these challenges have made you stronger, better, and more resilient. You have overcome the unexpected and persevered to become a graduate of Batch 2024. Because of that, may I humbly request everyone to give them all a big round of applause. No words and applause